What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I swear to God, this weather today has been nuts. It's been sunny and then heavy rain. Sunny in some parts, but there's freaking hail coming down. I'm not even kidding. We literally just had some hail. Look at these trees here. Feels like the apocalypse. Anyway, let's check out this Audi Q8. I've done one of these like a while ago. I feel like we should take another look at it. Move my noisy jacket out of the way. A little chilly out without my jacket, but it's okay. Oh man, let's see how this interior does. Not the best start. This rear center console is a bit on the squeaky side. Let's check out the front. Oh, come on. There we go. Goofy weather, I swear. So let me just point this out to you guys real quick. When you try to move the center console lid side to side, it's dead solid. It does perfect. It's just when you actually rest your arm on it, this part and this part squeaks. Every single time you want to rest your arm. Just keep that in mind. All right, now let's do the button test. This is where Audis usually do pretty good. And now for the final button. I know you guys love to know the miles on the car. Let's see if we can find that. 37,000, there we go. Wow, 38,000, but who's counting? Anyway, how did this do? Well, it's pretty close actually to the Audi Q7 I did about a month ago. I can put that video link in the description if you want to compare these two side by side. This is a lot squeakier than I wanted it to be, honestly. On some of my earlier videos, I really praised Audi for being one of the better cars on the channel. But I feel that the tables have turned a little bit, and that these newest, most updated Audi models are not as good as some of the older cars. There are quite a bit more squeaks in here than the old cars, and some of the materials feel just straight up flimsy. This whole little plastic surround here around the gauge cluster feels very light, very cheap. So does the black piano fakery here. Every car has this now. It sucks. And I absolutely fucking hate this armrest cover here. Every time I rest my arm on, I hear a squeak. That gets old real fast. Otherwise, interior's okay, I guess. I think I gave that Audi Q5, if I'm not mistaken, a 6 out of 10 for fit and finish. I'm gonna give this car the same. 6 out of 10 for fit and finish. Correct me if I'm wrong though, I haven't even looked at my last video. As far as materials go, this is basically identical to the Q7 I did. That car was a Prestige. We got soft touch in these upper parts. I mentioned in the Q7 video there was a little split in materials here between this, the soft touch, and then there was hard plastic here. This was like a surround for a heads-up display. This car doesn't have a heads-up display, so the soft touch does continue up here. Continues to the lower parts, like the glove box and lower. Not as soft as the front, admittedly, but not too bad either. The wood's all right. It's acceptable. I am still baffled by these seats. I mentioned this in the Q7 video. This feels like some kind of man-made leather fakery. Not real leather. Don't know why Audi doesn't put real leather in all their higher end cars, but that's just what they do, I guess. They make you maybe buy the S8 or SQ8 or the RSQ8, either one of those. And then one thing that they did do pretty good is we got cloth headliner and cloth sun visor, so that's nice. I'll give them credit for that. I just noticed these side mirrors look kind of like the same ones on the Bentley Bentayga, interestingly. But yeah, this is largely the same as the Q7 I did. That one, if I remember correctly, was a 6 out of 10. That's what this car should get, actually. 6 out of 10 for materials. A little bit above average. Not exceptional, though. Doesn't really blow me away. So there you guys have it. The final score for this car is 6 out of 10 for both fit and finish and materials. Let me know what you guys think. I did drive this car around a little bit, and while it doesn't drive too bad, you know, feels good enough. Again, doesn't blow me away. And I drive a lot of different cars for my line of work. I get to feel basically what everything is like. I examine everything very carefully, the driving experience, I mean. And this honestly wasn't that impressive to me, but beauty's in the eyes of the beholder. Personally, at this level, I would drive the Porsche Cayenne instead. That car has much nicer steering feel, acceleration, sharper transmission, and better interior, fit and finish and materials wise. Again, this is all subjective, but let me know what you guys think. Also, I got a new car. I'm gonna have to do an unveiling video one of these days, if this weather permits. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time. Peace.